What's up, everybody? So I got a little bit of a different video today. I've got this '07 Pontiac Solstice GXP, and it's got a intermittent AC fan problem. So I'm going to take a look at it and get it fixed. So here's the car. It's a '07 Solstice. It's completely stock, but it's got a problem with AC. It doesn't want to blow. It randomly works. So the common problem with these is the blower motor resistor. So I'm going to get in there and check that out and figure out what's going on with it. Alright, so we're here in the car, and to get to this blower motor resistor, we've got a body clip here and then a screw over here we need to take out, and then this bottom panel will pop out, and then gonna pop the glove box out. Got this little string here, and then you push in the sides on either side to pull the glove box out. So I'm going to get this glove box pulled out, the panel out the bottom, and then I'll show you what it looks like inside. Alright, so I got the glove box pulled out. Sometimes these are a little tricky. On the either side, you push up on it, and in the middle, you have to push down, and the glove box should pop out once you push these side pins in. So I got that out, and then you need a 7mm to take the screws out for here, and then it exposes where the resistor is. So as this red connector right here, most of the time one of the wires gets burnt out on that and has some corrosion on it. So I'm going to get this unplugged and show you what it looks like when it's burnt up. Alright, so here's a connector. You can see this pin here is actually burnt, and that's what's causing this intermittent problem. Sometimes once it gets hot enough, it'll make contact and work, and then other times it won't. So I've got the Dorman replacement part that just replaces this pigtail and the resistor itself, and that's just two, I believe 7mm, or you can use a Phillips head and pull that out, and that comes with the kit too. So I'm going to get this resistor pulled out, and then I'll show you what the resistor looks like and what the new parts look like. Alright, so here is the old blower motor resistor. You can see that one pin is burnt out pretty bad. And then here's the new Dorman part. That's the part number, and it's about 26 bucks on Amazon. I'm sure you can go to any auto parts store and get it also. But it came with the new plug, and then it came with some butt connectors. So I'm going to get this old connector cut out and replaced with the new one, and get everything put back in the car, and we'll test it out. Alright, so to make things a little easier, I disconnected the relay and then the connector for the actual blower motor itself. And then I just matched up the colors, except for this has two oranges on it on the factory side. So best thing to do is just take each wire off one at a time and reconnect it. But that's what I've got. Everything looks pretty good. I'm going to heat shrink all these connections. These connections have the heat shrink on them already. And then I'm just going to tape everything back up and connect it up and test it out and see what it does. Alright, well, I got everything back together. Taped up my connections where all the butt connectors are. Plugged my relay and the fan back in. So I'm going to give this a shot. Key on and the AC works. Got the blower fan working. So that's it. I'm going to put it back together. Alright, so I got this AC blower working again. Just took some basic tools, 7mm on a ratchet, Phillips head screwdriver, crimp connectors, and a lighter, unless you want to use a heat gun for the heat shrink on the butt connectors. That's easy. Just a $26 part. and then you got your blower motor working again. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and have a good night.